Hello friends, welcome to the hands-on series on a basic electronics. Here we are going to present and discuss about one of the electronic simulators called EveryCircuit. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. Let me introduce the different components available here. This area represents the different tools we can use. This is the workspace. This is reserved for the waveform generation. This is a pre-defined example area. This is a set of controls, and this particular option is to make them expand or collapse. In this particular example, we can see that if we are having a current source of a 3 ampere according to the Kirchhoff's law, to the total input current, that is a 3 ampere, will be equal to the total output current passing from the nodes. So we can see that if 2 ampere current, if this 2 ampere current plus this 1 ampere currents make them equal to 3 amperes. So this can also be seen with the animations, that when the current is passing from this particular area, this circuit, and the current passing from the another area, that is this path, the flow of the current are different. So this can be observed here. The total with the nice animation here, the speed of the electron flow can be easily visualized, that more number of currents or a more flow of electrons are happening in this particular circuit compared to the circuit having a 4 ohm resistor. So we can easily see that the more number of electrons flow is happening in this particular circular phase compared to the other part, which is highlighted over here. Now once we have observed this particular patterns, let me demonstrate you that what does the waveform represents. So when we are here, what we are doing is we are observing the current passing from this resistor. This indicates that 2 ampere current is here. So this can be observed with this blue line, this 2 ampere current, whereas the green, that is the current passing from this particular resistor, let's say this is A and this is B. So current passing from B is 1 ampere. So the question is, what happen if we change the value? So let's have a look on them and try to adjust the value of a resistor. So this is a control settings. Here if we click any particular resistor and click on the adjust button, we will get a adjustment knob. So when we will adjust the resistor, so here you can see that adjusting the resistor. So if we are adjusting the resistor, so here the current is changing in this loop. Similarly this loop get changed, and we can observe that the current passing from the knob is also getting different. So let me do it once more and you can see the pattern. So this is a pattern. You can see that there is a change is happening. So we can also use the plus and minus button to adjust the value. Similarly, we can also adjust the resistor value of the first one with the help of a knob. So here we are changing the total resistor, and the current passing from A. This is assuming that this is A and this is B. So the current passing from A is automatically computed and represented in a graphical manner. Similarly for the B also we are getting it. So in this way we can adjust the values of resistor or the components whatever we are using. Similarly, let's do one thing. Let's try to increase the current source. So let's try and check what happen if we change the input source from 3 ampere to 6 ampere and make the resistor equal to 10 and this one is equivalent to 20. 20, yeah, this is 20 now. Here the input source is 6 ampere, a 4 ampere current is a passing from resistor A, whereas a 2 ampere is a passing from the resistor B. So this type of a simulation can be done with the help of a EveryCircuit, and I thought that this may give you a rough idea on how to use it. So it may be useful for you. And to watch such type of videos, please subscribe our channel and give a like. Okay, thank you.